Man, if anything moved or jumped in this water, I'd poop my pants. Literally. It's pretty creepy, I'm not gonna lie. Up close, you can't tell in the video, but it's like murky. Just like, imagine something underneath there. It's just the imagination. It's just another world. You just don't have all your senses, you know, you can't, you're unsure what's down there. Just like the dark. Nothing's wrong with the dark. You just can't really see. And so it makes us feel like something's lurking, but not really. Not unless you're, I don't know, in an area where a bunch of tweakers are at. The animals are gonna pretty much leave you alone. Unless you're straight savage bear, hungry, and you don't care who you are, what you are, he'll eat you. Tear you up. But you know, mostly black bears are gonna be cantankerous, but you can honestly give a little bit of fight and surprisingly scare them off. But grizzlies are responsible for deaths out of surprise. Like, they come up and they scare you. I mean, you scare them and they react. And unfortunately, they're so strong. We're so fragile compared to them that things happen. Now, bring into mind and to the equation a mama bear, black bear, grizzly bear, any bear, Kodiak bear, sun bear. It's just, there's not going to be any, like, possibly not bothering you or possibly not messing with you. They are going to attack you, going to hurt you. So, yeah. Oh, this is all clover. That's all clover. Oh, no, it's not. It's something, though. What is that? Huh. Yeah. That's why I like being around animals a lot more than humans. Humans are sneaky and calculative, and they're gonna manipulate and hide their true intentions. And animals, they're gonna eat you. They're gonna eat you, and they're gonna let you know. You're gonna be able to tell right away. And so you just prepare for that. Try to be careful. And mostly you're gonna have a good time out there, but man, humans sure can disguise their evilness. I'm meaning to get some dandelions today. I don't really feel like having a bunch of fried food. I'm not sure if there's another way you can cook them.